How to change your email on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on Etoro app. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro, then you have to choose the top corner here, click on those three lines and then choose settings. Now you have many options here, but you have to choose the account option right here, and here you go. Now you will be able to change your email from here. Just click on change and change it in easy fast way. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.